Hi Tracy, my name's Christian with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence all on your own. So contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, and places like that. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So they're not going to be sold out to multiple agents and playing the game of who pays the most money this month to get the best leads. So they're your leads because it's your website. Now, three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is going to be content. Now, I do see that you're a real estate agent with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. So the only thing I would suggest potentially would be to maybe put like realtor after your name, hyphen realtor, or real estate agent below in the name portion, just to make it a little bit easier for people on Facebook to say, hey, she's a realtor. That might help. I've seen a lot of realtors do that. A lot of realtors do that. I would suggest potentially doing that just to let it be known a little bit more. Hey, I'm a realtor. Call me. But either way, so I see that you are a realtor at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. So we're going to use their website to talk about content. Now, what content is? Content is king in the eyes of Google and all search engines. The more content you have, the better. But in real estate, content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing to keep in mind, especially in real estate, is how your photos are saved. A lot of times when we upload photos to a website or anywhere on the computer will create a file name for that photo, and usually it's just random letters and numbers. Well, if search engines are reading how our photos are saved on the back end, would it behoove us to make that good content or just let it be random letters and numbers? Obviously, the answer is make sure you do proper content. So do your homework on how to save your photos and make sure that you save your photos the right way. So next is citations. Now, what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So I'd like to point out that I typed in Liverpool, New York Realtors. Okay, we got Rooftop Realty, Exit Champion, and Kernan Real Estate. So I didn't see Better Homes and Gardens. They're not in the first page. And also, I don't believe they're even on the first page for their website either. Even Kernan Real Estate, which is obviously, I would imagine, a lot smaller, is above Better Homes. So how many leads are coming through that for you? How many leads are coming through this website that they have and going to your phone and saying, hey, we need a realtor? Next, even more importantly than that, I'd like to point out that whether you're a broker or not, you can have a Google My Business page. So as you can see here, there's a few realtors that have Tammy Hoffman. We have Gray Cross. We have Diana Ingraham. Okay, so we have individual agents that have Google My Business pages. So I would highly suggest getting yourself a Google My Business page. And as you can see here, where is it? Better Homes and Gardens. This is even these guys are even lower than Diana Ingraham, Gray Cross, Tammy Hoffman. So there's a lot smaller brokerages that are actually above you in this map pack. So obviously they're doing something right that we're not. So this is what it's going to look like. So once you get yourself a Google My Business page, this is what it's going to look like. And Tammy's is actually very basic. She doesn't even have any reviews yet. So a couple things. If address is of concern, like maybe your brokerage won't let you use their address, you can actually use your home address and then just hide it. That's what Tammy did. So you use your home address to get the Google My Business page, and then you hide it right here. So if that's of concern. Either way, also reviews. So we recommend 25 reviews. Tammy has none, and she's still beating out Better Homes and Gardens. So obviously she's got the citation. She's doing something right. But either way, we recommend 25 reviews, and then also the photos. So photos and how they're saved are so very important. And I want to point out that hers is not working. But if we go here, type them again, let's see what's going on. So it's not working. Either way, when you get your Google My Business page, you're going to be able to upload photos. You're going to want to upload 10 photos, and then you're going to want those photos saved the right way. So even as basic and unfinished as this Google My Business page is, she's definitely bringing in leads, and she's in the first page for Liverpool, New York realtors, even above the brokers that you work for. So very important. And then the last thing is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So like, let's say you want your domain to be TraceyDeForest.com, right? Then wherever you blast that out to is going to give you a backlink, right? But the thing is, not all backlinks are created equal. And this, in the website, your BHGRE for Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, that website, prime example right here. We have 4.2 million backlinks coming from 8.4 thousand domains, right? But yet, they're not even on the first page in Liverpool, New York realtors. And they're not even beating Tammy Hoffman. So the thing to keep in mind with backlinks is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant to the trade and that are not spammy. So 4.27 million, how much good is it doing us? You know, are they bringing you leads? Are you getting phone calls like crazy from your brokerage? You know, only you know the answer to that question. So once you get your domain, I would highly suggest doing your homework and getting yourself some valuable backlinks that are going to bring you the most return of investment. Other than that, Tracy, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your life and business and bring you some more money and leads. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.